Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I had read an article about having a clock visible or available to people who are disabled and maybe immobile, so they know what time it is. Something as simple as that can be very important. I purchased this little clock here to put on the table that her TV is on. So, I don't know, a lot of these clocks, everything comes from China and they all have mixed reviews. I wanted to get one of those large dial analog clocks that hang on the wall, but recent reviews for the ones that were top sellers were saying do not purchase. So some of them are hit and miss. Some people say they're good, some people say that it stopped working after a month. But this is what I ended up purchasing. You know, the TimeKeeper. Everything is made from China, but the most important thing is the ability for the person to know what time it is. So this just runs on a single AA battery. It's relatively inexpensive. So here's the compartment. This little dial here to set the time. And I'm always amazed. I had to really search the box to see what battery. It looks like this goes in this way. Maybe like that first. So that's in. It does make a slight ticking sound. I mean, that's actually kind of soothing, I think. You won't hear that 10 feet away, but the other ones that I was looking at, the larger ones, were supposedly silent. I kind of like that little, unless, you know, you're having trouble sleeping and that keeps you awake. But yeah, so just wanted to do a quick video on this. Swivels so you can get a better angle, maybe if it's on a side bed or side table. So that's a quick video on this clock I purchased off of Amazon. TimeKeeper Swivel Desk Clock. It's all plastic. It does have a little felt here to grab onto a table so it's not going to slide around. And the clock swivels and it runs on one AA battery, and it makes a slight, does make a ticking sound, this particular clock. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and or comment. I'll leave a link in the description for this particular clock. Thanks for watching.